Welcome to Rob and Maria Trading. I'm Rob, a former attorney and professional gambler.
And I'm Maria, a former banker.
And together we've traded for 1,500 straight days. Today we're going to talk about our small account and the results that we've had in the last week or so. This week our $30,000 fund kept pushing higher. Another strong run that proves small accounts can scale with discipline.
We started this fund back August 9th with $30,000. In 3 months, it has grown to $36,625.
From November 1st through November 9th, our AI robots made 120 trades in this account.
The robots sold $9,170 worth of premium and captured 12.3% of it.
Every trade in this account was based on our back tests. The AI robots stayed locked on the $1.80 premium and the 50 wide wings all week long based upon the videos we showed you last week.
Even on Friday, when the market ripped through the call side, our drawdown stayed under 3.5%, right where our back test predicted.
That's right. This account's up 21% in the first 90 days. As you can see from this chart, it's been slow, steady growth since August. There have not been any big swings, and there's not been any blow-ups.
Just 6 trades a day. This small fund shows that you don't need a huge account to trade like a pro. Just a system you trust.
Our goal in showing this isn't just to grow this fund. It's to prove that data-driven trading beats guesswork every time.
So whether your account is 30,000 or 30 million, the math doesn't care.
Right.
We trade math for our best results. Made with math, paid in profits.
You can say that again. We have new videos coming next week. Look for our videos showing you how we plan to trade all week long.
And look for my video on secrets to using AI to trade.
I am looking forward to that. All right, we'll see you future videos coming out shortly. All we ask for payment is that in the comments below that you tell us videos that you'd like to see in the future. Thanks a lot and have a great trading week.
Bye-bye.